welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, I will be taking you guys shopping with me. We're gonna go to a couple places. I've been having the idea of redecorating my bedroom for the last couple weeks, and I've been wanting to do that. So I've been going to Homegoods to just shop around and see what kind of things they have there in the past couple of weeks. And I like to go to different Homegoods just because I feel like you can find different unique pieces. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do end up buying once I get home. But I did also want to take you guys to Target today just because I wanted to pick up a new comforter for my bedroom, or for my bed. Really have nice decor pieces as well at Target. So I will show you guys if I do pick up anything when I get home. So anyways, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe like always, and I will see you guys in a little bit. So they have this one called the linen comforter set. They have it in king, and they also have it in full and queen, which I actually have the beige one. I think it looks really nice. But I think I want to get this color as well. They are about $119, but they are like the softest comforter ever. They have many colors. I have it in green as well. I just love it. They also have some cute little blankets also. Hey you guys, I'm in the pillow section. They have really nice cute textured pillows. I'll show you guys this one pillow. I think it's really cute. Look at this. This just adds a little bit of texture to your bedding if you're looking for texture. They also have these, which look really cute and nice. Okay you guys, look at this really cute vase with plants. This is obviously fall, but it's designed by Studio McGee, and it's about 30.5 inches tall. It's going for $30, but I thought it was really cute. It's like a decorative piece. Okay guys, so I'm just right here at Homegoods, and I wanted to show you guys this vase. It's so nice and modern, but unfortunately has a crack. So seriously you guys, look at this. This is a real vibe right here. Oh my god, this is like super like boho, traditional. Oh my god you guys, why do I love this? This is so cute. So it's $10, but I love the whole vibe. Okay, if you are looking for makeup holders, you have to check out Homegoods. They have a lot of organizers for makeup and a lot of other stuff. Now look at this one's for $30. Okay, so look at this mirror, you guys. This is for $60, and you can actually paint this gold. Okay, so I for sure regret not picking up one of these mirrors because they remind me of the Anthropologie mirrors that are really expensive, and these are pretty much a dupe, and I'm super mad I didn't pick it up. But when I did want to go back, it wasn't there anymore. None of the mirrors that I'm showing you guys is going to be there. So unfortunately, if you really want something, make sure you just get it right away. It looks so pretty, but it looks super expensive. You can definitely DIY this and just paint this gold, and it looks super cool. But yeah, I like it. Look at this one also, you guys. Look at this one. You can also paint it gold. Such a pretty mirror. Hey guys, so I'm actually back at home. I'm in my bedroom, and I wanted to show you guys everything that I picked up from Target and from Homegoods. As you all may know, like I said before, I am in the middle of redecorating my whole bedroom, just changing the vibe. The look that I'm going for in my bedroom is pretty much that hotel airy type of look. Yeah, so I did want to show you guys some of the pieces that I did end up picking up from Homegoods and from Target. I ended up finding really cute items. One of the things that I really do want to say, when you are redecorating your bedroom, you always also want to start with your comforter. I feel like the comforter is one of the biggest things that you can do to change the vibe in your whole bedroom, which is why I recently bought this really amazing comforter from Target that I've been loving, and actually got it in a white color this time, just because I love that comforter so much. So I ended up getting this comforter over here. This is from the brand Casaluna, and this brand, you guys, is one of my favorites. The comforter feels amazing. It's a little bit up there, the price, but it's not like super bad. It's about $119 at Target. I have right now the one in my bed, which is a beige color. It has definitely like more of a linen type of feel, which is amazing. It goes very well with your sheets. The other thing that I did buy from Target are these sheet sets. I didn't want to buy something that can go with the white vibe that I'm going for with these with this comforter set. So I did end up getting also from the brand Casaluna called the Sapina Percali sheet set. This is actually the first time that I am using this, so I will let you guys know how it goes. But so far the brand Casaluna is really good. The quality is amazing. This one includes a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and standard pillowcases. So the next thing that I did get, you guys, is this amazing planter. This is from the brand called Threshold, and this is going for about $30. And I wanted to add some greenery to my bedroom just because sometimes when you have beige tones, it can look a little bit flat. So incorporating different pillows as well, different textures, different colors, here and there, like accent pieces, it can definitely change the whole vibe in your bedroom as well. So I definitely recommend something like this. Very simple. And if you're not the type of person to have real plants in your bedroom, definitely something like this is awesome because this is pretty much like a fake plant. And I love the base. The base has almost like a false ceramic concrete type of feel, and it just, like I said, it's all about texture. Adding texture to your bedroom will pretty much bring it up to another level. And I really love this. It even has this little, I don't know, I think this is called moths or something like that inside of it, just to make it look a little bit more real, which is awesome. But yeah, this is one of the things that I did end up getting. So this other thing or piece that I got from Target was a well back. I don't remember exactly how much this was, but I will leave all the links to all the products down below in the description box if you're interested in any of the products that I do mention today. But this one, you guys, I also got from Target. This is from the Studio McGee collection, and this is a decorative piece that you can put on your counter, in your office. You pretty much can do a lot of things with pieces like this. So that is pretty much all that I did get from Target. The next thing that I will show you guys is from Homegoods. And Homegoods is one of those places where I love to shop. You can find amazing, unique pieces. They have even carpets, rugs. Like, they have so many amazing, unique pieces that you can't find anywhere else. And one of the pieces that I did pick up from HomeGoods was this. This, you guys, I don't remember how much it was, but I think it was about, if I recall, I think it was like $20. So it's not that expensive. I know it looks very simple, but simple things, guys, can really make a change into the way you decorate. And I feel like adding this, even with this vibe, it kind of makes it look like more of like an like a warm, just like an inviting type of look. I just love the texture of it. It's very different, and it looks very cool. Okay, so the branches right there is pretty much where I am going to keep it and place it. I like the way it looks there. It's very simple, just very simple and unique, and I love the way it looks. The other thing, you guys, that I found at HomeGoods, I don't remember what this is called, but I also found this at HomeGoods. It was really inexpensive. I think it was only like $8, but it smells amazing. It kind of has that like spa type of smell. It's called Australian Apothecary Sydney. I love the smell of it. It has also that like modern kind of type of look with that gold around it, and it's just very simple, but it looks great next to this branch. So I also did end up finding this little cute tray at HomeGoods. I believe this was for $30, and I did find this little cute, I don't remember what this is called, but I love this texture. I think it was about $20 at HomeGoods, and I just love the way it looks. I added some of these pampas or bunny grass type of look. This right here I found at HomeGoods. I believe I think it was for like $25. The tray is actually mirrored, so you can definitely incorporate anything in it. You can even use it as like a serving tray if you want, but I just love the way it looks right here. So I'm not an interior designer by all means, but I did want to show you guys pretty much how my bedroom is turning out. I do have a few things that I do want to change in this bedroom, but for right now, I think I'm just going to leave it how it is. Maybe just change a few things. I think pillows I am going to change. But right now, at the moment, I just pretty much added some things that I bought from Etsy. For example, that thing I got from Etsy. I also got the pampas grass from Etsy. So just a few things that I did change here and there just to like make it look a little bit more welcoming. My bed actually used to be right in the middle of these two windows, but now I just changed it the opposite and put it on this side of the wall. My TV is actually gonna go here. I did put this dresser here that I have that I got from Pure One a long time ago, and like I said, these things are from Homegoods, and that is gonna pretty much stay like that. And this corner over here is pretty much where I have just other things. My TV is right there for now, which I'm gonna change and switch up. But in this corner here, I do have that planter that I showed you guys from Target, my diffuser that I got from Amazon. I love this. I use it every night. And then I got this candle also from Homegoods, and this apothecary from Homegoods as well. So yeah, just a few things that I decided to just add to my bedroom just to make it look more the way that I want it to look. It's not perfect, but it's getting there. It's getting to a place where I really like to come here and just enjoy being in my room. And I feel like your room should be your sacred place, a place where you can just relax, come and just fall asleep, you know, or just read a book or whatever the case. I feel like you should make your room very comfortable. And as you can see, my dog is very, very comfortable being in my bed. But I want to show you guys how the comforter looks like. The comforter is really, really nice. I love that it's very, very comfortable, and it's two-sided, so you can definitely turn it the other way and place it like that. I just have the linen side on it, and then this throw blanket over here I got from Target as well about 2 weeks ago. Well, it's pretty much affordable, but the only reason why I have this here is because my dog likes to lay in my bed, and I just like to keep this here so that way he lays on here instead of where my pillows are at. But yeah, that is pretty much where I keep the throw. And this chair over here is where I keep pretty much my extra pillows, and this is where pretty much I sit down. And yeah, I have over here my art wall from Pure One that I got a while back. I think I will just keep that there just because I really do love the piece and I love the way it looks. I think it still looks pretty nice with everything. And the pampas grass I got from Etsy. I will link it down below. So that is pretty much my bedroom, you guys. I will give you guys a better tour next time when I'm completely done redecorating it. I still have to buy more pillows because I feel like pillows also add a different type of vibe to your bedroom as well. But anything that I showed you guys, like I said, I will link down below. And thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed being here with you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video.